wireless bicycle turn signal is really a unique product. This guy gives the rider the ability to signal people behind him, letting him know whether he's going to turn left or right. It also functions as a continuous flasher so people can see him at nighttime visibility. And it also has a hazard function, so if you push the hazard button on there, it lights up real bright. Both turn signals turn on, the LEDs get super bright. With this guy, you will be seen in low light conditions or in daylight. It's just that bright. Wireless bicycle turn signal comes with all the pieces that you need. It's got mounting brackets, instructions, and really easy to install. Let's see what's inside here. This is the signal pod unit. It's got a little switch on the bottom of it that you can push and to test it. Very bright. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, it's easy to install the mounting brackets for the turn signal controller and the turn signal module itself. And now that the mounting brackets are on there, it's real easy to just snap these guys right on the bicycle. Right on the front. Just have to align the little clips up there and push down. There you go. Just now we have both the sending unit up front there and the receiver with the turn signals in it in the back. Let's fire this baby up and see how it works. There's a little switch under here. Click that on and it will flash. It flashes continuously to let people know that you're riding just like a regular safety light. And then with the front, if we push the right turn signal, the turn signal indicator comes on, and in the back, it tells us that we're turning right. And if we go up here and we hit it again, we'll cancel it. And then we can hit the left turn signal. You can see it's telling it it's turning left. And we can cancel it. And if you hit the hazard lights, then it really puts on a light show.